Hafiday, and welcome to the third episode of Nagov Minute. Today we'll be taking on an adventure to the Philippines, where Nenengef Pagu was able to perform at the National Festival of Folkloriata, where we were able to pay tribute to our brothers and sisters of Bayanihan with the Chamorro dance to the local song Kanlungan. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
This last routine we would like to share as a token of our appreciation to our brothers and sisters from the Philippines, and most especially to Bayanihan, the National Folk Dance Company of the Philippines, for their wonderful hospitality. We hope this routine will demonstrate how much music and dance connects us all. Tungkol na si Jesus Makasi. Maraming salamat po.